Here's how to batch convert PNG files to WebP to optimize your e-commerce product photos in 2 minutes. So why do you need to convert your images? Well, because size matters. Not like that, but because first of all, the size of your images will define how fast your website loads in, and if you have thousands of products, you'll need to save on storage space. So here's how to quickly convert images to optimize your e-commerce sites. I'll use the UniConverter's image converter tool. You can download the UniConverter from videoconverter.wondershare.com. When you have it, go ahead and open the image converter tool from the image section. Simply import your photos. Since we're doing batch conversion, import those first that you need to convert into the same format. I'll import PNG and JPEG files here, as I want to convert all of them to WebP. In case you need to convert these files into a different format, you can choose one from the list here. But WebP is the best format to use online, as it's a compressed format, which results in small file sizes, but it also supports transparency, like PNG. If you click on the settings button here, you can change the resolution and resize quality. Now, oftentimes there's a resolution limit for e-commerce sites, so be sure to double check that and change the values here accordingly. The resized quality can stay the same. When you're all set, click on Start All. Your files will be processed in no time. As you can see, these new files are significantly smaller in size compared to the original versions. With these photos now, you can optimize your website and save cloud storage space for yourself and internet data for anyone that visits it. If this was helpful, leave a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching. I'll catch you in the next video.